नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। फॉलोइंग मंडेज स्टीप डिक्लाइन, द यूएस मार्केट staged a powerful comeback on Tuesday. The Dow Jones soared 2.66%, the Nasdaq rallied 2.63%, and the S&P 500 climbed 2.51%. The renewed buying enthusiasm was sparked by reports that Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, speaking at a closed-door investor summit, expressed optimism over a potential de-escalation in the ongoing US-China trade tensions. However, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bearish, as it is still trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 5,380 to 5,400 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while the zone of 5,200 to 5,180 will act as an immediate support. The Brent crude is oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last couple of trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of $67.5 to $67.8 will act as an immediate hurdle, while the zone of $65 to $64.8 will act as a crucial support for Brent oil. The US dollar index has witnessed a minor pullback after testing the low of $97.92 level. However, the major trend of the index is bearish. Going ahead, the zone of 100 to 100.3 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. Talking about Nifty's view after the sharp 2,500 point rally over the past 9 trading sessions, the benchmark Nifty index took a breather on Tuesday, consolidating within a narrow 170 point range. It formed a spinning top like candlestick pattern on the daily chart, signaling indecision at current levels. अगर हम क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें कंसिडरिंग द गैप अप ओपनिंग, तो ये जो जोन है 24,380 टू 24,400 का, वो एक्ट करेगा एक इमीडिएट हर्डल फॉर द इंडेक्स. अगर कोई सस्टेनेबल मूव आता है अबाउट द लेवल ऑफ 24,400, तो वो लीड करेगा टू अ फर्दर अपसाइड रैली अप टू द लेवल ऑफ 24,550 फॉलोड बाय 24,700 इन द शॉर्ट टर्म. वाइल ऑन द डाउन साइड जो जोन है 24,130 टू 24,100 का, वो एक्ट करेगा एज एन इमीडिएट सपोर्ट फॉर द इंडेक्स. अगर इंडेक्स स्लिप होता है बिलो द लेवल ऑफ 24,100, तो ये जो नेक्स्ट क्रूशियल सपोर्ट है वो प्लेस्ड है एट 23,950 लेवल. On the derivative front, the April future surged by 0.14%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 2.19%. The 24,200 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 24,300 strike. On the put side, the 24,100 has a substantial open interest followed by the 24,000 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 1.06. Talking about Bank Nifty extended its outperformance, hitting a fresh all-time high of 55,961 on Tuesday. However, it faced a mild profit booking after the new peak. Going forward, ये जो 56,100 to 56,200 का जोन है, वो एक immediate hurdle act करेगा इंडेक्स के लिए, while the support is seen around the 55,300 to 55,200 zone. Talking about Sensex view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark Sensex traded within a narrow 571 point range and formed a bearish candle with wicks on both ends, reflecting indecisiveness at current levels. Going ahead, जो जोन है 79,200 to 79,100 का, वो एक्ट करेगा एज एन इमीडिएट सपोर्ट फॉर द इंडेक्स. वाइल ऑन द अपसाइड, जो जोन है 79,900 to 80,000 का, वो एक्ट करेगा एक क्रूशियल हर्डल. On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.25% and the open interest of the current series has also surged by 25.40%. The 79,600 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 80,000 strike. On the put side, the 79,500 has substantial open interest followed by the 79,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.99. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX slipped by nearly 2% on Tuesday. So going ahead, the zone of 14.2 to 14 will act as an immediate support for the index. While on the upside, the zone of 16.2 to 16.5 will act as a crucial hurdle. The advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about key sectors from a technical standpoint, sectors like Nifty Bank, private banks, financial services, defense, capital markets, PSE, CPSE and India tourism are exhibiting strong bullish momentum. These themes continue to show leadership and are well positioned to outperform in the near term. Talking about the FI/DI data, the FI is bought to the tune of 1,290 crores, while the DI is sold to the tune of 885 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 31.6, as on a net basis they sold 1065 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.